Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Sarah and I make videos about lifestyle, fashion, and vlogs. And today I wanted to give you guys a bedroom tour and then also show you how I make my bed every morning. My room is not done by any means. I definitely want to get a lot more furniture and spruce things up, but it's just going to take some time. But I'm very happy with the way it looks right now. So I thought I would give you guys a quick tour. Let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, so this is my bedroom furniture right now. So we don't have a bed frame yet. We only have like the thing you put your, like a stand that you put your box spring on, and then your mattress. The mattress is from Lull. These linen sheets are from Pottery Barn that I absolutely love. And then I'm gonna link everything in the info box down below of all the products that I have, including those prints, the blanket, the pillows, sheets, curtains, etc. I got this rug from Crate & Barrel that I really love. I wanted the room to be cool toned and very relaxing and zen, so that's why I chose this rug from Crate & Barrel. These nightstands are from Restoration Hardware, as are the lamps. That little vase is old. I think it's from Crate & Barrel. And then Rami has an Alexa on his side. And then moving on to my side, I have my Jonathan Adler vase that I really love. And then these Venus FLEUR, I think they're called Eternal Roses. I love the crisp white ones. And then I have this small Bath & Body Works autumn candle. I think that's like my favorite scent from Bath & Body Works. I had a bunch of these candles, so I'm just finishing it off. And then on the bottom over here, I have another Jonathan Adler vase. We have a patio right outside of our bedroom that one day we will renovate, but it's just the way it is from when we moved in at the moment. I love these linen curtains that I got. It's such a large window that I needed to get 4 panels without having to get custom curtains made. So I was very happy that I was able to find the correct length. And then I chose the curtains to be the exact same linen as the bed sheets because I wanted it to be like a very lived in, relaxed look. And then directly opposite the bed is this little addition that we put in to the bedroom with our TV and our fireplace. I absolutely love this fireplace. We got it from Amazon. What I love about it is that it's modern, first of all, and then second, you can have the fake fire on without any heat, but then if you want, you can just turn on this electric heater over here with those buttons, and then it's also remote controlled. I'll make sure to link this below as well. Right next to my fireplace, I have this mirror that I got from Wayfair just recently, and I love it because I can do my outfit try-ons over here. So every time you look at an outfit try-on, this is the mirror I'm using. Next to Rami's side of the bed, I have a chair, mirror, and ottoman, all from Restoration Hardware. This area is still really barren, and I don't know what I want to do over here. I guess I'm just gonna have to figure it out eventually, but I love this mirror. It's one of my favorite mirrors ever. And then this chair and ottoman are very comfortable to relax in when we're watching TV in our room or reading a book. Moving on from the chair, directly opposite it is this situation over here that I really like, but I definitely want to switch out one day, like this dresser for sure. These are just 2 dressers from IKEA placed together. And this one, Rami uses it for all of his clothes, and then this one I have for all the extra PR stuff that I get that I don't know what to put just yet, but I need to figure out a solution. Definitely want to change this out for a beautiful piece one day. For now, it'll do. And then over here, I have this guy from CB2 that I love. These prints are available, I believe, from Society 6. and Artfully walls, but I'll make sure to link everything down below. I love this little acrylic and leather box from Louis Vuitton. It's so beautiful. And then I have my Louis Vuitton book and a little catalog from DIOR from last summer. This is my mom's piece. I think this is from the 80s and I really love it. I really don't even know where she got it from, but it's so beautiful and unique. So I have it here. And then the infamous pampas grass, because Rami actually hated it because it was shedding too much. So I put it over here and I think it actually looks perfect in this space. That was the quickest bedroom tour, but I really wanted to do this for you guys because I have been collecting things for a while now and I know this is a long overdue thing, so I was very happy to share it with you. Obviously there's still so much to do, but very happy nonetheless about how it's turned out so far. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you would like to see more from me, and leave a comment down below letting me know what your favorite part of the bedroom is so far, what you like, what you think I should change. I'm just all over the place with this whole bedroom thing, so I would definitely appreciate some input. See you guys next week with a new video. Bye.